Hi, Joe Cerrone.
And Alan Rosehead.
Welcome to CAD 117 Intermediate AutoCAD in our weekly Zoom classroom meeting. Alrighty, so we've released Module 7, Working Drawings, and Module 7 is a comprehensive drawing assignment and will be our last assignment before we take our final exam. So as we look at the upcoming events, Module 5 is due April 7th. Module 6 is due on the 14th. And then our just released Module 7 is due on the 19th. We have the final exam scheduled for May 3rd. And then for some reason, the last announcement didn't show up. Let me change it to view it as a teacher. May 10th is the last day to turn in all lab assignments. Alrighty. Back to viewing as a student. Take a look at Module 7. Mechanical working drawings. We have our PowerPoint lecture for Chapter 7 and Chapter 11. If we take a look at these PowerPoints, they basically go through being able to describe what mechanical working drawings are and how they're produced. Essentially, they show you how to put things together. And then we will create an exploded isometric three-dimensional model, including a bill of material, parts numbers of the different components. And so as we take a look at how we have been working on the course, mechanical working drawings, assembly drawings, and basically we've all seen these. It's just a matter of being able to use standardized technical drawing applications to communicate how things go together. And then we use these balloons in our bill of material to be able to call out those different components. They also create two-dimensional drawings and detailed drawings. You're welcome to create the 2D drawings as bonus, but that's not required. And then as we go through and we look at our assignment, here are the dimensions for the toe stop assembly. We'll have our base. We will have a pin that holds the top cleat to the base through this hole right here. And that hole will go through this pin hole like this as it's showing in the assembly. And then we have a washer, a nut, and a threaded fastener. We go back into the D2L. We've given you the hex head cap screw that you can download. And so you can download it. And we've taken this, actually this is a drawing. I thought this was from McMaster-Carr, but it's a simplified version of it. And here's what our final drawing project will look like. We'll use our B-size mechanical title block. We'll create a table with our different components. And then we will create balloons using multi-liters to call out those different components in our quantity, in our description. We look at this in model space. model the parts. I like to use these red center lines to show how parts are linked together. And then we'll use multi-leaders with balloon callouts to identify each of the different components. Alrighty. We have web pages of how to complete each of the different components. And so if we were to take a look at some of the web pages, excuse me, some of the video tutorials. Continue to model the different components. Working off of our existing skills that we've learned, creating technical drawings for mechanical assembly. Show you how to put in the pins, subtract those out. Not an easy lab. It will take you some time to go through and create these models. So we have created video tutorials for those, showing how everything goes together. There's a mechanical title block. This is a bonus assignment right here, double bearing assembly, and the gazebo is as well. So if you really want to do some more work, we have you covered. Back to the main splash page. And that's basically it. As we start to wind down and getting our modeling in our drawings done, remember that you're welcome to come into the campus for additional help. We're available on Wednesdays at the Skokie campus from 8:30 until 12:30, Thursday afternoons, 2 o'clock to 6 o'clock, Skokie campus, P130. And on Fridays, virtually on Zoom, you'll need to request a meeting by email. Please use the D2L email that's preferred over the Gmail account. And then on Sunday, this Sunday is Easter holiday, so I would not recommend that day, but if you are needing help, let us know and send us an email. All righty, keep an eye on the schedule. Let us know if you need any assistance. And with that, I'm going to stop the recording, post it, and open things up for questions.